Alright, so look at this fun picture we get to do. We are told that FC is a diameter, so here's FC, it's going through the center of the circle. E is the midpoint of arc BC, so B to C. E is that midpoint. It doesn't look like it, but what that means is that this arc is going to be congruent to this arc. So if CE is 3x plus 16, that makes this one 3x plus 16 as well. Find the measure of angle FAB. So FAB. To find this angle measure right here, this central angle, we have a way to figure out what the arc is. And if we know the arc, because it's 3x plus 4, then we know the angle will have that central angle will have the same measure. So basically we have to figure out a way to solve for x so we can plug it back in there. The one key piece of information that helps us out is this right here. FC is the diameter. What that means is that from here all the way over to here is a semicircle, which means that that arc is 180 degrees. And we have that divided into 3 segments. We've got 3x plus 4, 3x plus 16, and another 3x plus 16 that all equal that semicircle or 180 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up the 3 arcs. We have 3x plus 4 plus 3x plus 16 plus the other 3x plus 16. And that's going to equal 180 degrees. Alright, so now to solve this, we'll just combine like terms. You have 3x plus 3x plus 3x. That gives you 9x. And then you have 4 plus 16 is 20, plus another 16 is 36. Carry down your equals 180. Go ahead and subtract 36 from both sides. So we have 9x equals 144. And then divide both sides by 9. And we're finding that x equals 16. Alright, so like we've been saying on all these videos, x equals 16, that's great, but is that what they asked us to find? And if we look back at the problem, we say, oh, that's right. We have to find the measure of angle FAB. So let's go back to our picture. FAB is right here. And like we were saying before, the central angle is going to have the same measure as its arc. So all we're going to do is we're going to plug 16 into that 3x plus 4. So 3 times 16 plus 4. 3 times 16 is 48. 48 plus 4 is 52 degrees. So the arc is 52 degrees, which also means that its central angle is 52 degrees. And that answers the question.